In this video, I will show you how to build a portfolio gallery in WordPress. You can use this gallery to display your work samples in an attractive way. If we check the WordPress dashboard, we can see all the items in the gallery are stored in a custom post type called Portfolio. They are dynamically retrieved from here. To add a new item, click on the Add Item button and then write a title and a short description for it. I also select a feature image for it. Then, I make a new category called Anime and publish the item. When I refresh the page, I can see the new item and category in our gallery. Let's get started. I have included the link to this post in the video description. Copy and paste this code into your WordPress site. To insert this code in WordPress, you can simply paste it into the functions file of your child theme. If you're not familiar with creating a child theme, I have a tutorial on it that you can find here. Alternatively, you can use the Code Snippets plugin. I'll use this method. Add a new snippet. Paste the code, give it a title, and save and activate it. After refreshing the page, you'll notice that the portfolio section has been added to your dashboard. Let's create a new item by providing a title and a brief description. Don't forget to choose a featured image for this item. Additionally, we'll create the necessary categories. I'll create 3 categories and then publish the item. We need more items, so I'll pause the video and create more items in the same manner. Now we have a total of 9 items to display in our gallery. Let's open a new page and add a short code block. You can copy the shortcode from here and paste it into the block. Finally, publish the page. As you can see, the portfolio gallery has been successfully added to the page and is functioning correctly. If you prefer not to display the description under each image, you can modify the shortcode and set the description argument to 0. And that's it. You have successfully added a portfolio gallery to your site. If you liked this video, please hit like and subscribe so that other people can find it, and thank you for watching.